How to make Snapchat account public. Open Snapchat. After you open Snapchat, go to this profile. In this section now, as you can see now, it says public profile. In this section, tap on this. After you tap on this, now tap on this, as you can see now, to upload profile picture. Bio, location, show followers count. Now here is my public profile. So now tap on the settings. So view your public profile. So now as you can see now, here is now my Snapchat public profile. That's it guys on how to do Snapchat public profile. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.